Make the right choice. A recent report by the University Grants Commission (UGC) showed that India has 1,113 universities and 43,796 higher education institutions (HEIs). Of these, it is mandatory for the central universities to use the Common University Entrance Test (CUET UG) for admissions to undergraduate programs. Many other institutions are also using the CUET UG for this purpose, and it is estimated that around 15 lakh candidates will take the exam. While the efforts of the National Testing Agency (NTA) in improving the system for 2023 after taking feedback from students, teachers, and parents is laudable, a few refinements may still be considered. Section 2 of the question paper consists of 45 by 50 domain specific objective questions in each of the 27 subjects, starting with accountancy and ending in teaching aptitude, with 45 minutes for each subject. The time taken to answer MCQs varies according to the subject. Maths, accountancy, and other subjects that involve problem solving will require more time than those where one can answer questions even as the paper is read. Thus, the decision to give 15 to 20 minutes more to subjects involving calculations is justified. I would like to offer the example of the Tamil Nadu Professional Courses Entrance Exam (TNPCEE). When it was in vogue, there were only 90 questions in the maths paper compared to 120 questions in the others. Perhaps this could be deemed a better way. The move to increase the maximum number of subjects that can be taken from all three sections to 10 is welcome, as is the use of percentile ranking for merger and normalization. The decision to award 5 marks to a correct answer and -1 to a wrong answer needs to be considered. Logically, if each question carries k answer choices, then the negative mark for a wrong answer should be n minus n or k minus 1, where n is the mark awarded for a correct answer. Suppose a 100-mark question paper has 100 questions, each carrying 4 answer choices, n equals to 1, k equals to 4. Say a candidate chooses to mark C as the answer for all the questions. Probability wise, C will be the correct choice for 25 questions. Therefore, he oblique she will get 25 marks. To nullify this, the remaining 75 wrong answers must be awarded -1 by 3 mark each. In CUET UZ, n equals to 5 and k equals to 4. Hence, -1.66 is the negative mark to be awarded to a wrong answer, as against the currently proposed -1. If only 1 mark is deducted for a wrong answer, the candidate will score 25 into 5 minus 75 into 1 equals to 50, assuming 100 to be the number of questions. Whereas a better but sincere student may get a lower mark, which may be even be negative. Wrong questions. Further, for questions that do not have a correct answer or have some more than one correct answer, full marks will be awarded to only those who have attempted such questions. What if a candidate realizes that the question is wrong and skips it, rather than mark a random answer from the options? He or she cannot be penalized for being smart. What can be done is to either drop the question from consideration while correcting or give all candidates the full marks for the question, instead of only those who attempt the question. Further, if there is a printing error or a faulty translation, only the English version will be considered as valid. But how will a candidate know this, and that he or she has to look at the English version? Such questions can also be considered as wrong and the candidates given the full marks. The writer is former professor and director, entrance exams and admission, Anna University, Chennai. Make the right choice. While the changes made in the CUET UZ 2023 are laudable, a few refinements could help further.